Hi everyone, it's Professor Lee. Welcome to week 7. We're halfway there. This is it, the halfway mark. So a couple of things we're going to go over this week. One being you all have a peer-to-peer discussion. Keeping in mind you have to complete 5 peer-to-peer discussions in the 14-week semester. So please keep that in mind. Bear with me one second. I want to go back and just go over. You have a writing assignment also due on Sunday using the NASW Code of Ethics and 2 articles by Matson and Reamer as guides. Submit the assignment below. Identify an ethical dilemma you've experienced or observed in your field placement, and then use the steps following in Reamer's article to discuss your decision-making process. And you can also use these prompts below as headers if you'd like to section your paper off that way. I am fine with that. And that's due on Sunday, so keep that in mind. You also have a mid-semester evaluation this week, and this is essentially an evaluation of the course and my teaching of the course. So please, I would appreciate full and total honesty. That way I can kind of tweak my process and how I do things. So I look forward to your thoughts and feedback on the mid-semester evaluation as well. And that would be week 7. Oh, and then I'm sorry, and then the topic this week, guys, clearly if your assignment's based on ethical dilemmas, is the ethics and the NASW Code of Ethics. So here's an outline of our course for our learning for this week, I should say. So you're going to be able to identify your practice behaviors associated with ethical identity, competency two, and then other differences between personal and professional values with social workers, and then engage how you would engage in ethical decision making when faced with conflict. So those are those are the learning objectives for this week. If anyone has any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I again look forward to your feedback on the evaluation and to see your thoughts and see how you feel about the coursework, the course process, if you will. Thank you.